it done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game.
All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig comes in this beautiful iconic pink box that I love. It is hard, it is great for storage. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we have the wig, and as always, we have the three things that Unice includes standards with all of their wigs. We have an edge brush and comb with the rubber end. We also have a pack of HD wig caps, 2, and we have an edge band with their branding on it. Okay. So the wig, the first wig, because I actually got a couple. The first wig that I'm doing is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. It is a loose wave, and it's in a beautiful color that I have been loving. This T128, and it is 12 inches long. Let's take it out of this packaging so I can show you this color up close. They also included some pre-everything tabs. Okay, so 13x4 is almost always scare me, but not a Unice 13x4, and I'm gonna show you why. First, this color. This is, when they say pre-everything, they truly mean pre-everything. I could not get this color by myself. I could not get these waves by myself. I couldn't pluck this by myself. Everything really is pre-done for you on this gorgeous wig, y'all. Let's look at that cap construction up close. Yeah. Okay, so in the front, you get, I need a lip liner. I look washed out. You have a 13x4 parting space, and we have 2 glue tabs already on there. Okay, we also have 2 combs in the front to the left and the right. In the back, we have another comb and some adjustable straps, and we have an adjustable glueless band. This is really pretty. Just right out of the pack. That is gorgeous. That's it up to my hand. Like I said, this type of pluck-in and styling I could never do on my own. So this is an example of why I really love Unice's pre-everything wigs. What I'm going to do is put this on my head, show it to you how it looks right out of the pack. I'm going to brush out these curls, give you a 360, and then we'll come back and discuss my final thoughts on this wig, y'all. Be right back.
Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong, but no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch, even though it's what we want, can't keep these up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game.
Alright guys, so I'm making my final thought on this wig, and y'all know 10 out of 10 for me, because this wig genuinely checks all three of my boxes. Affordability, super affordable, beginner friendliness. All I had to do was take this out of the box, put it on my head, swoop some of these baby hairs back, and I use these tabs, and this wig feels so comfortable, so secure, and it looks so natural on my head. So beginner friendliness through the roof, quality top notch. This hair is very, very soft, and normally I don't like silkier textured units, but I'm in love with this. It has just the right amount of silk and yet to make it that perfect blend. This wig is just 10 out of 10. There are a lot of companies out there right now that are saying pre-everything, and everything is not pre. Okay, like they haven't done everything. They haven't plucked it. They haven't colored it. They hadn't cut. They hadn't done all that, styled it. With Unice, they truly do everything pre. Like, I don't have to do anything but take it out of the pack, put it on my head. I love the layers with this one. I love the color on this. I love the construction of this, and that's saying something, because normally I hate a 13x4 or 13x6 because I feel overwhelmed because I can't comb hair. With this one, I feel very, very comfortable in this unit, especially since I use those tabs. I think it looks really good, y'all. I'm in love with this one. I think that this color, like I told y'all, I've really been feeling this. I think it's T128. I've been loving this color, and I reviewed a few units from Unice in this color because I love it so much. So I'm just in love. I think that it's the perfect fall color on the perfect wig. Yeah, this one is a winner, y'all. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend it. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can get this exact one that that I have on my head, because it is a winner. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are, because I'm in love. Until next time, which will be very soon, because I got like 3 or 4 more Unice wigs to film.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want.